My name is Hedy, and my project doesn't really have a title. And my 4 R's or 5 R's are reflect, rethink, regrow, rebuild, and reuse. I chose reflect because if you want to make a better world, you have to build you have to look into the past and collect the good information that they collected and combine it with the future. And then I chose Rethink because you have to rethink your actions. And I also chose Regrow because in order to make a better future, we need to learn how to solve, to learn you need to learn and gather information about how we are going to solve this problem before you actually take action. And then I chose rebuild because in order to solve a really big problem, we need to work together and combine our knowledge in order to build a better community. And finally, I chose reuse because reusing can help us reduce the amount of trash and litter. For example, like on my project, I reuse wrappers and trash I found on the street in my house. And I asked my dad to make me a frame because I didn't want to waste the leftover pieces of wood he uses in his carpentry projects. And then if you notice in my picture, like I have roots covering the earth. Like this represents all the history and time the earth has been through. And then you see there's black and white trash that I drew. This represents all the litter and harm trash has done throughout history. And then if you notice on the right side, there's a bird. And it used to be a really bright and vibrant color, but now it's dull because it ate trash. And trash is poisoning animals all around the world. Then, if you notice, there are little shoots of green plants everywhere. Those represent hope. And we, humanity, are the people who can save it. So, and there's still hope left. So, if we take action, we might be able to save it and reduce all the trash. And then I wrote 4 of my R's on the frame, but I couldn't fit the 5th R. So if you tilt them, you're going to see it says reflect, rethink, regrow, rebuild, and reuse. And I really appreciate Stop Place, and I'm really thankful for holding this awesome contest. So I really appreciate it and thank you.
May the 4 arms be with you.